Hello, this is Kayla and Ramsey with LCM Digital Marketing. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things that you can do to your website really easily so that you can beat the glass company whenever somebody Googles Salt Lake City window restoration. They are the first organic website that shows up right here on Google, so I want to give you some tips on how you can get your website in this position. So if you're wondering why we're making this video for you, it's super simple. We found out a little while ago that smaller business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit their company and bring them more business. And usually the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. And I also understand some businesses do have a digital marketing agency, but they just aren't seeing the results that they're paying them for. So we found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you guys, please do this for me. So whatever you want to do with this information is totally fine with us. Our only goal is to help you out in whatever way that we can. What I'm going to talk about today are 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. So right here I have your guys' website pulled up. I really like the pictures that you guys have in it. What Google cares most about is all of this fresh content that you can read right here, and they want to see a lot of it. The average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words on the home page. So if we copy all of the words that you have on your home page and put them into our word counter, looks like you have about 222 words. So you're going to have to get that number up to around the 2,000 word mark for Google to consider your website an authority. Now, if we check out your main competitor's homepage and count their words, they have 308 words. So the good news is that they don't have too many words, and it's not difficult to get your word content up to that 2,000 word mark and really blow them out of the water. Now, another thing is you'll want to have plenty of keywords within your content. So a keyword is any word or phrase that people are looking for when they're looking for your services. So Salt Lake City window restoration, Salt Lake. There's all kinds of different keywords out there that people are typing in when they're looking for your services. So you want to make sure that that's within your content in your website. Another thing too is the pictures that you have uploaded onto your website. You want to make sure that before they're uploaded that they're saved as a keyword. So this one picture should be saved as one keyword, this picture should be saved as another keyword, and so on and so forth. So that's the first tip that I have for you today. The second thing that I want to talk about are your backlinks. So a backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is important because Google is like a popularity contest and they want to see a bunch of other trustworthy websites vouching for you. But they do want to see relevant links, so those backlinks are going to give you a lot more power if you have another window company linking to you versus like a pizza company, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company, right? So the tool that I'm using to look at your backlinks is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. If you type in backlink checker or keyword planner, there's all sorts of free tools like that on the internet. But if you look right here, it looks like you have 1 backlink and your competitor has 4.52 thousand backlinks. So you'll want to get more backlinks than them, and the easiest way to do this is just copy the links they already have and put them on top of yours. And the way that you do that is you come over here into their backlinks and you go down the list of all of these websites that are linking to them, and you visit those websites and put a link on that website back to your page. A lot of the times you just create a profile and put the link in your profile. Sometimes you may have to click the contact us button and send an email to the owner, but whatever they had to do to get these backlinks, that's what you'd have to do too. So just by copying them and doing those first 2 tips, that's how you become #1 organically right here on Google. Now right here, this is what we call the Google Map Pack, and this is actually the best place to show up because this is where the most traffic goes. It's free to have a Google My Business profile, and all you need to do is have more citations than your competitors. So a citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and phone number is listed in different directories across the web, and a directory is anywhere or any website that allows you to list your business information, such as Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, stuff like that. So what I would do is I would figure out what directory Central Glass Company is listed in, and I'd put myself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top of that. So if they were in 100 directories, I would make sure that I was in 200 directories. But that's all I got for you today. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I try to keep it short and to the point for you. So just for a quick recap, this we have your homepage right here. You'll want to get about 2,000 words of content on your homepage and have keywords within your content. And then you'll want to get more backlinks. And the easiest way to do that is just to go to your competitors' backlinks and take their backlinks. You can even go to other competitors and take their backlinks as well. And then the last thing was your citations. You'll want to make sure that your citations are in more directories than any of your competitors right here, and that's how you can really gain more leads and show up on that Google Map Pack. So yeah, if you follow those 3 tips, that's how you become #1 across Google. And now you're probably wondering what to do. So what we would recommend is that you get started on this right away, because it does take some time to implement all of this, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you start profiting off your work. If you have any questions or just don't want to do it or want somebody else to handle this for you, you're more than welcome to give us a call. I put our phone number right here on this last page. Feel free to call at any time and we'll be able to answer any questions that you might have. But we appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to hearing your feedback and hope you have an amazing day. Thank you.